Ugly bitches fucked up the world. We were doing all good. All good. Good and gravy. And then come ugly bitches. The ugly bitches. The ugly bitches. The ugly bitches. And you wonder why you ugly hoes always win fights. They mama didn't raise them to fight. Pretty bitches didn't grow up thinking they had to fight. Now go take your black, ugly, dirty ass and go fight an ugly bitch. An ugly bitch that's gonna get down with your ass. Don't fight these pretty hoes that ain't gonna fight. You just whooping their ass. Shit. 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 Fucking disgrace to the... Man, just fucking disgrace to the community. You black, ugly bitches, y'all need to make y'all got own fucking planet, world, whatever. You go somewhere and get off of our shit. I know I look good, you know? You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of walking around and these ugly bitches trying to get with me. Goddamn! I know I can't get a fine bitch, but shit. If it ain't nothing but fine bitches, somebody gonna like me. Since you ugly bitches around, I gotta get an ugly bitch. I don't want no ugly bitch, I look too good for that. Shit. Take your ass home. And another thing. Bitch, when you ugly, don't cry. Don't do that shit. Bitch, when you ugly, don't explain yourself, bitch. You ugly, ain't nobody finna listen to you. Ugly hoes. Damn. Steady fucking up the world shit. I hate ugly people. I'm tired of you ugly bitches thinking we can be friends. No, bitch, you ugly. Bye. See you. Don't want to talk. Bye. It's over with. Done. Eat. Bitch, if you ever been told you ugly and you just thought, yeah, I know I look good. I know I look... No. You ugly, bitch. You ugly. Bitches, you ugly bitches fuck up the world. Y'all fuck up the world. And if you think I'm lying, global warming, littering, forest fires, gas prices, rats and roaches, fat bitches. And you think about all that, this is all caused because of ugly bitches. You ugly bitches, I don't like you. You're not pretty. One more thing. You ugly bitches, you ugly. Quit trying to fight the pretty hoes. Don't. Stop fighting pretty hoes. Pretty hoes don't want to look like you.